Reading disabilities have a tremendous social impact. A research study conducted by the Pew Research Center indicates that at the end of 2007, approximately 7,300,000 United States citizens were either in jail, in prison, on probation, or on parole. Translated, that is 1 out of every 31 American adults. The Pew Center continues and states that the United States has 5% of the world's population, but 25% of the world's prison inmates. Further research demonstrates that 7 out of 10 incarcerated persons were struggling readers while going through school. 7 out of 10. That's 70%. These figures serve as a clear indication that reading instruction in American educational institutions is problematic. This is directly related to the nature and structure of American educational institutions, where inadequate instruction in phonemic awareness and basic spelling rules leads to the development of inadequate code-breaking skills. The lack of English code-breaking skills translates into the creation of a disability in basic reading skills. Recent research conducted by the National Institutes of Health indicates that disability in basic reading skills is primarily caused by deficits in phonological awareness, which is independent of any achievement capacity. More clearly stated, reading disability has no connection whatsoever with intelligence. NIH continues further and states that deficits in phonological awareness can be identified in late kindergarten and first grade using inexpensive, straightforward testing protocol. Additionally, deficits in reading can be remediated using a systematic approach to breaking the English code. Let's provide a bit more clarity. Many linguists believe and support the innateness hypothesis, which states that children are born already equipped with an innate blueprint or template for spoken language. This blueprint is called universal grammar. It follows, then, that learning to speak is a natural process. Reading is quite different. Written language is a relatively recent human construct. In the evolution of writing, we have designated symbols to represent the sounds of spoken language. We have, in essence, created our own code. The sound symbol correspondence that has been developed for the English language is called the English code. In order for students to properly master the components of our language, breaking the code proves to be a monumental yet crucial task. Few students naturally make the association between letters and sounds. The English code must be explicitly taught and drilled until the associations from symbol to sound and sound to symbol are automatic. This work provides a systematic and forensic approach to mastering the English language and a solid foundation for reading, writing, and spelling skills for students who are struggling with language acquisition. With this forensic approach, students can be shown the phonetic nature of the English language and the proper structure of the written language. You will find as you progress through this training system that there are no cute little animals, funny faces, games, or anything else to distract the student from the task at hand. This curriculum is not designed to entertain. The English Code Language Training System explicitly and systematically teaches the intrinsic relationship between sounds and the symbols that represent them in the English code.